Oh my god. He's right there. Oh shit! I'm gone! Ah! I'm fucking red! Ah! I'm gone! Bro got it.
Come on, man. This is how to survive. You ain't got no mics.
Yo. Nah, I'm on Xbox. I ain't gonna lie. It's my first game, bro. Talk me through it, bro. Talk me through it. Oh yeah, GG's. I ain't gonna lie. It's over. We lost, bro. It's cool. I ain't gonna lie. But this my first, like I got a chance type shit though. Oh no, oh alright, it's cool. I mean, I'm a survivor though type shit, so like I should be cool type shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I'm really a survivor though. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I've been through worse type shit though, so like I'm a really, you gonna see, watch this. I'm really gonna show you how to do this shit, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I ain't gonna lie, don't follow me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, do not follow me, bro. I can't even hear, bro. Oh, there it is. I didn't even know they had a chat on the joke. Oh, wow, watch this. My man hopped in the lobby, went straight to the bathroom. That's tough. I didn't go to no skill tree. I went straight to the game. Nah, why you playing like that? Who is them? Who is them? Nigga, I'm weaving shit. I'm punching on shit. I see you? Nah, you ain't gonna see me. I ain't gonna lie. You're not gonna see me. You're not gonna see me. Oh yeah, GG's, bro. Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie, some other shit I don't know about. I see. Bro, do not follow me, my nigga. I'm going. I'm getting bored here, like. I'm getting right in the wind, like. Hey, yo, chat. Anybody in this shit play this shit? It might be GG's. Ray, you watch anybody play this shit yet, bro? It might be GG's. Okay. I'm on the ground. Wait, you out too?
What is this place?
Okay. Hold on, I'm checking. Nah, that's me right here. Oh, where you at? Where you at? Wait, you behind me? I'm the shorty. I'm the bitch. Oh no. Hold on.
Wait. What's that?
Retrieve bone scrap. What bone scrap gonna do something? Oh no, I'm moving it too. I'm too. Oh my god. Who the fuck is that? Alright, baby, I'm going. How do I run? Good fall. Good fall. W fall. Oh, there's a nigga above my head. Oh, I hear a fucking chainsaw. I'm gone. Watch this. Watch this weave. I don't fucking know, bro.
What is this place?
Bro, what side are you on, bro? Oh my god, he's right there. Oh shit! I'm gone! Ah, I'm fucking red! Ah, I'm gone! Ah! Get in the fucking wind! Oh, I'm gone. I weaved. Weave again. Oh, there you go. That's you right there, bro? He's coming, bro. Oh, fuck. GG's. Hey, Todd. Hey, Todd. Todd, how do we get out, Todd? Bro, I got bony, bro. Where the bro? If you tap X, you should be going faster. You should be going faster. Bro, deadass, I seen the nigga. I weave, huh? I'm gone. Not catch me. Come on, Todd. We out. How the fuck do you maneuver this all? Todd, where you go, Todd? Todd, where you at, Todd? Am I behind you, Todd? Am I behind you? No, don't die. Please, bro, please. Don't. How you heal yourself? What's the mechanics, bro?
Can I get through here?
Why? He got executed? How we get upstairs? Bro, yeah, G fucking G's, bro. What the fuck are the animations to this bitch? I bet. A door? I was by it. Oh, I hear a chainsaw. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what the fuck. I ain't gonna lie. I'm looking at escape routes, Ty. You need to hurry up, Ty. I'm right behind you, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I'm right behind little Ty, bro. We are. Yeah, I'm on Ty. I'm on Ty. Another heals? I ain't gonna lie. This. Oh, I bet. What's that? Grandpa level 1? What the fuck? This nigga's a fucking demon. This nigga can actually. Hold on. Can I open it up? Oh, I gotta stop moving! Come on. We outside. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god! She got my head. GG. Oh, GG. I'm dead. Yo, what? What is this game, bro? How Todd? Yo, no, this nigga Todd is a demon. This nigga Todd is a demon. Yo, they coming. Oh, he weaved it. Oh no, I didn't know why this nigga really weaved them niggas like that. How he moved like that? Bro, I don't know, bro. I swear to God, I pressed every button waiting for an animation to come out. Didn't no animation come out. That shit is cooked. Chill, Ty. Ty, chill. You out the grass, gang. This nigga Todd is really him. I ain't gonna lie. This nigga Todd is him. Nah, Nah, this bitch is on point. Why she really just hit the 360 like she seen him in the movie or some shit? Like, yo, she really on point. I swear to God, she on point. What the fuck? Hey, Todd, I ain't gonna lie, you might have to hit the main road, gang. You might have to really just get out the main way. But that's what I'm saying. Like, if I find the main road, it's over. I'm getting bony. They're not catching me. Oh, God, they're not. Oh, God, they're not. I'm really getting out there, like. Come on, Todd. Ray, you say you played this shit before? Nigga, why didn't you tell me before I started the game? Bro, I don't even know why I played this shit my first day on stream, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit might be over. Niggas not trying to walk me through it and they played it already? Oh my God. Bro, get when I think they track him if he move, right? Todd, I ain't gonna lie, you gotta move, bro. Where the main road at? But hey, gang, that car don't work, gang. You might get in the wind, my heart. That shit over. What's the time limit on this whole tool? Don't you got like a time limit? You need some health, gang. It's about to be over. You almost there, you almost there. You almost there. Todd, you're actually him. Todd, you're actually him. You gotta move. Todd, please. Oh my God, they're close. Oh my God, GG. Get in the wind. Oh no, they got Todd. No. Die, I ain't gonna lie, that shit was fun. I ain't gonna lie, chat, that shit was fun. That shit was fun, I ain't gonna lie. This shit is actually live. This shit is live, hold on. How is that shit kind of active though? Like, not for real. Like, we all this shit kind of fun. Alright, let's get to it. That's you by me? Yeah. Oh no, I'm with Todd.
Just think there's got to be a way out.
Stay close.
I'm just looking for materials right now, bro. Can I get some materials? Oh, I found it.
Hope this works.
Nah, I'm in the, you feel me? But did I not just on lockdown? Come on, we in there.
Thank God you're still alive.
Oh wait, I found y'all. I think I found y'all. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Yeah, we out this one. Oh, bro unlocking the door. Bro unlocking the door. You good, bro? Take your time. We out this one. Oh nah, GG's. Oh G fucking G's. Don't move. Yo, don't move. Don't move. Get. Oh GG's. G fucking G. Yo, stop moving. Hurry. Them niggas know exactly where we are. Like, all four of us just lit up at the same time. GG's. The fuck was that?
This will help.
I got a fuse, got a fuse. He found you? Wait, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, that nigga there! Oh, go! Weave! Huh, I'm going. Where the bro? Huh. Oh, there's a nigga on me. I'm weave. Yo, chill, nigga. You not catching. Huh. Yo, there's a nigga on me. There's a nigga on me. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I'm weaving him behind the gate. You can't catch me. Hey, what's up, buddy? Oh my God, there's two of them. GG's. Go on. Mink. Oh, he got me. Weave. Hey, yo, I got two niggas on me. If y'all niggas can get... Oh, GG. They beat me up. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yo, this is a... Yo, that... Oh. Are we not supposed to shake that bitch so actively?
Where am I?
Oh, that nigga know we at. I ain't gonna lie. I spammed the shit out that joint. Oh, which one's you?
Connie, over here. Stay quiet.
I'm a little tired. I think I'm with Todd. Hey Todd, you finna get us caught, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Oh! I think you over there about Todd. Where you go, Todd? I saw the Todd. It's over. Survived for 1 minute. That's crazy. How you go? I don't know where anybody else is at.
Locked. Damn it.
Oh shit. Yo, that shit scares the fuck out of me. Shit for me be good. Wait, can I move now? Shorty, we don't gotta find nobody. We have to leave, gang. So we gotta find the others. Too nice. still downstairs in the basement too. I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck am I hearing right now? I feel like somebody getting. I feel like it sounds like a fucking pig getting destroyed. Hey bro, I was in the most uncomfortable position I ever been in my life, bro. I was right behind, bro. The nigga ran right next to me and didn't see me and got bony, bro. Oh my god, I almost just shit myself. What the fuck? Caught me! Hey! I'm gone, nigga! You ain't catching me, my nigga. I'm gone. Oh, Jesus! I'm good. I climbed out. Climbed out the basement. Climbed out the basement. How do you crouch? Oh my god. This nigga's cutting the fucking bushes. Yo, hey gang. This nigga's cutting the bushes and he cut right next to my face and that shit missed. I've been getting too lucky. There's no way I don't win this. There's no way I don't win this shit. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what is this game, bro?
Where you at, bro? I'm on the outside.
I climbed out. I'm outside too. It's two niggas near me though. I'm too scared to move, bro. I don't know where the fuck to go. It's two niggas on me. 3 niggas on me? They don't find me though. They can't find me though. All 3 of them are on me. They all close to me. But like, they don't see me type shit. Thicket. My shit say thicket. I can't move. Like, if I move from here, this nigga's gonna fucking see me. Don't die. You gotta clutch here. You gotta clutch up here.
Too low.
Grandpa's at level 3. Oh, you don't come to me! Don't come to me! Don't come to me, nigga! I see you, bro. I see you, bro. All 3 of them niggas are behind you, gang. I ain't gonna lie. All 3 of them niggas are behind you, gang. You didn't see no way out? Fuck. I'm gonna follow behind you. Fuck. Fucking no, bro. They killed you? Oh my fucking god. Oh shit! Which is the way out of here, bro? What the fuck? You got away? How the fuck are you still alive? What? Yo, tell me if you find the exit. I'm at exterior. I'm at the exterior. Huh? Chill. Yo, I'm dead in the grass. These niggas. Yo, we might be close. We might be close, bro. Oh shit! If it's 2 of them on you, I could probably get the fuck up out of here. That chainsaw nigga. That chainsaw nigga's right next to me. I am over. It's 2 of them on me. Oh, they go back inside the house. They go back inside the house. Oh, all three of them inside the house. I'm about to go. I'm back door. I'm at the compound. What the fuck? Oh, where the fuck do you leave from the compound, folks? I'm really about to just circle around the whole crib until I find a way out. We can move now? Yo, I'm bitching! I ain't gonna lie.
What's that?
Oh, I think I found the exit. Requires an unlock tool? Suck. Oh my fuck. Fuck. I'm cooked.
Might need the others.
Hey bro, you still alive? Yo, this nigga is hiding, folks. Yo. Fuck. Fucking chicken, folks. I'm at the compound. We close. Exterior right next to the compound. One of them niggas next to me. He close. I think he heard my chicken go off. I already moved far from the chicken though. I don't think he's gonna catch me. I'm moving. I ain't gonna lie, nah, this shit crazy. Why the fuck couldn't it be daytime like the last time? I'm trying to see some shit. I can't see shit. Bro, if you see some shit that we don't see, please let me know, bro. Please, bro, please. If you see. Bro, I'm at date. Unlock shit. I don't know how the fuck to do that shit. I got one knife on me, bro. Level 4, what is these levels? Like, what do they do? At a certain point, are these niggas just gonna see me? Like, that's what I'm scared for. Oh my god, I see you. Oh my god, I just fucking saw you. GG's. G fucking G's. If I saw you, one of them niggas saw you, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, I think I see you crawling. You crawling towards me. Oh no, that was one of them niggas then. That means he's sneaking up towards you. He's close to you, I ain't gonna lie. Like, where's the exit, bro? Say during one of these joints, I just fucking drop my controller, bro. Like, I'm gonna be mad as shit, like. I'm about to move.
I can use that.
No cap, I'm really getting out this hole. Condition deteriorated. Hurry. You do have a timer on this hole, bro. I'm back at the house. Where you at? You at exterior? You close to exterior or no? Alright, I'm at exterior. I'm at exterior too. I'm at exterior too. Oh, I heard that nigga screaming. They came my way. Yeah, I'm outside. I wish I could just see you. Like, I can't see through this. Like, Grandpa at maximum. There's nowhere to hide. They're gonna see us regardless. Oh, they see us. They can see us. They can see us. Just run. Just run. Just run. Oh! Oh! Oh, nah. Hey, what's up? What's up, Shaida? How you doing? Oh, shit! They got me! Oh my god, it was two of them. There was no way out of that, bro. Yo, there's no way out of this. Oh, I'm dead, bro. I'm dead, bro. I'm a girl. I'm thinking about myself. They actually hold me. I get on this island, so.
I'll get out of here. This might lead to the others.
Damn, that shit getting louder. Oh, who that room is? Oh, what's up, Shelly? Yeah. Oh, this nigga already pickpocketing. I mean, picklocking this jump, but we gotta do that.
What do I do?
Blood bathroom. We have blood bathroom.
Okay. Now, stay safe.
Don't move, don't move. See our door? Our door should be open. Oh, I moved it. Oh, we both just moved again. We about to go up the ladder. We have the ladder right now. Did you see where we just moved at? Just come to that, John. Okay, while they make their way, I know they about to be on their way over here.
I think this is a second.
Oh my god, I am usual.
Looks like some kind of
I gotta fucking screw that up.
mimic. Oh my god.
Where you at, game member? Oh fuck. Oh no, I'm with. I see Shorty still up here. Oh shit, we outside. We at the main. We at the main. We at the road. We on the main road. That shit locked up, game. What we gonna do when we get over there? Matter of fact, we might have to hit these bars. How we open this over here? Oh shit. My ass at the main entrance right now. Oh, I got the valve.
What's that?
I got the valve. Of course, the valve is all the way in the fucking back, though, bro. Like, come on. Oh, nah. Oh, generator turned off? Does that mean the gate's open? Oh yeah, gate's open. We out. I'm out.
Who are these people? Stay focused, Anna. Stay focused.
I got out. Yeah, to free the real nigga, man. Get to it. You got a lot of